Hello and good evening. This is Ms. Chaudhary from Ms. Chaudhary and Associates Immigration Law Firm, and I'm an immigration attorney, and I come here online to talk to my clients and to talk to the people in the US and around the world globally about what we are facing today with regards to the immigration. Today is April 2nd, 2020, and we are in the midst of a pandemic and kind of lockdown in our houses. But what I need to stress on is that it's very important that the people who are in the United States on some kind of visit visa, or if they are on any other kind of non-immigrant visa, or even on the immigrant status, and they are about to file for their extensions, or they are supposed to file for their change of status, or they are supposed to file for adjustment of status, that is to maintain their status, it is very important that they do so. Please do not take it as the immigration is going to waive for right now up till today, April 2nd. There is no notification like this saying that, oh, you know what, you can fall out of status or you can overstay your status. No, because that will go against the immigration rules and regulations. So if you are here on a visit visa and you need to file for the extension of stay, or if you are here on any other kind of non-immigrant visa and you are supposed to file for the change of status, or you are supposed to file for the extension of the stay, kindly please do so. If you have any deadlines, if there is an RFE, a request for evidence, or there is an intent to revoke or intent to deny, or any other kind of application pending, please do take care of that. Do so in a right manner, do so in a timely manner. Also, the immigration is open. It's only closed for the interviews, say for the green card interviews or for the citizenship interviews, but it is working internally on the applications and petitions. Similarly, Department of Labor, they are working on the labor certifications. Same way, the courts, immigration courts, the detainee immigration courts are open, and they are doing mostly the telephonic or tele interviews or hearings, like the bond hearings and stuff, but they are conducting those hearings. The one which are closed are the open courts. Open immigration courts are the one who deal with the respondents who are not in detention. So please keep this in mind. It is very important. It is very important to keep this in mind, that you have to maintain your status unless and until some kind of notification comes from the USCIS, comes from the Department of Homeland Security or the related departments saying that, oh, there is any kind of leniency showing in that, or any provision which comes with some rules or with some instructions. So please keep this in mind.